Hi everyone. Today solve first derivative of tan x. So solution f of x prime is equal to tan x. Tan x. Tan x means sin x over cos x. Okay, cos x. So first derivative of tan x means also first derivative of sin x over cos x. And based on division property of derivative, if f is a function and g is also a function, then f over g prime of x is equal to f prime of x times g of x minus f of x times g prime of x over g of x is the whole squared. So based on this property, sin x over cos x derivative means equal to sin x prime times cos x minus cos x prime times sin x over cos x cos square x. This is derivative division properties. So derivative of sin x is equal to cos x, okay, cos x times cos x minus first derivative of cos x is equal to minus sin x minus sin x times sin x over cos x square x. Then cos x times cos x is equal to cos x square x minus times minus positive sin x, then positive sin x times sin x plus sin x square plus sin x square over cos x square. Then the main point is, in the previous video, cos x square x plus sin x the whole square x is equal to 1, always 1. Then substitute in this position 1 over cos square x This means 1 over cos square x and cos x times 1 over cos x cos square x means cos x times cos x. So 1 over cos square x means 1 over cos x times 1 over cos x. Okay? Then 1 over cos x means always equal to sec x. Then 1 over cos x times 1 over cos x means sec x times sec x. So the final answer is first derivative of tan x is equal to sec x times sec x, which means sec square x. Thank you.